Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the fire analysis coupled with mechanical load over the steel beam. First I did the uh, thermal analysis, and that's the heat transfer over the steel beam. You can see the heat flux, but nodal temperature is more important. We applied the fire condition to this bottom surface and also the radiation condition to this bottom, and you can see the temperature distribution here. And if I draw a nodal temperature, for instance, edit here for a point here, plot it, you can see it reaches the maximum value 700 degree. And if I plot it for the point here at the middle, you can see it reaches 450 degree. And if I request it for a point here, plot it, you can see it reaches 200 degree during 2 hours, the time of the ester. So we should use this nodal temperature in the heat transfer analysis in the mechanical simulation to produce the stress which come from the temperature variation in the model. So I did the stress analysis, and if I click here, you can see this is the, let's me to first here, this is the stress at the first, at the initial, which come from the temperature of fire, from the fire. You can see it is increases here in the web of the beam, and also we apply pressure as a mechanical load on the top surface, and you can see it's the formation now. Here is a stress from the fire, but after that, see the deformation of this here, the stress here come from the mechanical load, but the bottom fire load. So let's me again to draw the stress, Mises stress for a point here. Plot it. See, this is the force. Sorry, the stress. And let's me to draw for a point here. Plot it. You can see this is the stress. We can smooth this diagram like this. Okay. So if you need to model the fire condition over the steel beam, bolt, or other metal, you can use this tutorial. And if you need this, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or search the title in the search section of the website, and then click on the title, and you will have a short explanation about the geometry, material method, interaction, step, load, and the result as figures here. And at the end, you can provide CAMP English video file step by step for this tutorial, and the cost for that is 26 euros. You can pay for that through a PayPal account or Visa or a MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.